Understanding the idiom, walk on air. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, walk on air. This idiom is often used in everyday English, and understanding it can really enrich your language skills. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to walk on air. Walk on air is an idiom that means to feel extremely happy or elated. When someone says they're walking on air, they're expressing a sense of joy or delight that's so strong. It's as if they could float. This phrase is often used to describe moments of great success, love, or accomplishment. The idiom, walk on air, has its roots in the idea of feeling so light and joyful that gravity seems to have less hold on you. It evokes an image of someone so happy that they're almost defying the laws of physics. This expression has been used in literature and speech for many years, encapsulating a feeling of boundless joy. To better understand how to use walk on air, let's see some examples. 1. After hearing she had won the lottery, Maria felt like she was walking on air. 2. When he finally graduated, he was walking on air. His hard work had paid off. 3. She's been walking on air ever since she got engaged. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various situations involving happiness and achievement. Other idioms that convey a similar meaning include on cloud nine. This also means being extremely happy or blissful. Over the moon, another way to describe great happiness or joy. In seventh heaven, this means to be in a state of bliss or happiness. Understanding these similar phrases can help you express the same idea in different ways. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the idiom, walk on air, and how it's used in the English language. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to our conversations. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay happy and keep learning.